డబ్బు, అనారోగ్యం, ఉద్యోగం, వ్యాపారం, అప్పులతో బాధపడుతున్నారా? మీకోసమే లాంచ్ యువర్ ఫ్యూచర్ ప్రోగ్రామ్.
That I welcome you all to Tansen, where the harmony of flavors blends elegance. The name Tansen transports people to the Mughal era during Akbar, when the cultural world and culinary artistry blended perfectly. He was a maestro whose art captured the essence of an era. By invoking his name, we honor his legacy and bring his spirit of creativity and refinement into the heart of our dining experience. Tansen's music, known for its depth and beauty, resonates in the ambience we strive to create. A place where every meal is a melody, every flavor a note, and every moment a lyrical journey. As you are all aware, Tansen is a part of Ori's culinary legacy that dates back to 1976, when it all started as a family-owned business, which later on became a futuristic brand in the hotel industry. Capitalizing on the success of its very first venture, Hotel Basera, the label soon spread its wings across Hyderabad and established its place as a chain to reckon with. Ori's now boasts of a series of top restaurants, hotels, and banquets in Hyderabad, with a distinctively unique quality of coming up with something innovative each time. Mr. Amar Ori furthered the establishment's progress and helped it gain the acclamation and accolades it deserves. Over the years, there has been immense growth in terms of business and customer loyalty, enabling the empire to push the envelope further and gain recognition pan-India. He has been instrumental in shaping the future of the Hyderabad food industry with his varied outlets across the city. He is a true visionary as far as the culinary scene in Hyderabad is concerned. I now call upon on the dais Mr. Amar Ori, the owner of the Ori's Group, for his soulful thoughts on Tansen, the emotional attachments to Ori's Group, and his viewpoints on the outlook of the culinary industry, and his future visions about both Tansen and Ori's Group. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together to welcome Mr. Amar Ori, the owner of Ori's Group, on the dais.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, and also all my friends from the media. We extend a warm welcome to all of you for joining us today for the launch of Tansen, a culinary destination which blends food and art in the beautiful city of Hyderabad. Our goal at Tansen is simple yet impactful: to combine the rich traditions of Nawabi cuisine with the timeless legacy of art and Indian hospitality. Our journey began with a deep sense of passion to create a destination where every dish tells a story, and to create a destination where you feel like royalty. As we open our doors, we warmly welcome you to indulge in a culinary experience like no other. What sets Tansen apart is not just the delicious food, but the unrelenting focus to make you feel like a true Badshah or Begum. With a stellar talent pool inside the kitchen, the master chefs have spent countless hours to craft the most delicious taste into every dish on the menu. We have chefs from Delhi, Lucknow, Dubai, and Hyderabad who have assembled to win your hearts with brilliant artistic flavors. From succulent kebabs to fragrant biryanis, each dish is a masterpiece crafted with love and perfection. To enhance the dining experience to the maximum, the interiors have been carefully designed to transport you to a royal Mughal darbar with a majestic water body that envelops you and a 25 feet high ceiling, which is very grand. The space transports you to a beautiful setting, perfect to enjoy the most memorable meal. The celebration of music is felt throughout the restaurant. From the dedicated stage from where I stand, Sufi performances will entertain you every single night. To the tabla wall, to the raga walls, music is truly something that connects us all. Lastly, one value that we hold very dear to our heart is our belief, Atithi Devo Bhava, the concept that guest is God. Our front of the house team is specially trained to make sure that every guest is felt special and taken great care of. As you know, Ori's has been a renowned name in Hyderabad since 1976, known for its outstanding food and service. We have over 30 outlets and 12 theme restaurants today. Ori's continues to set the standard for culinary excellence in the city. Tansen is set to open in Financial District on 26th of June, that is the next Wednesday. This will be the latest addition to our portfolio, which has popular brands such as Sahib's Barbecue, Caffeine, Cake Nation, Uppu, and others. We have always strived to serve the masses with our delectable offering of food that are available across all our outlets. Looking forward to the future, we want to gradually take a few brands outside Hyderabad, but now we want to grow some of our fastest growing brands like Cake Nation and Caffeine within the city. In closing, I extend my heartfelt gratitude to my team, whose dedication has made this dream come to reality, and to all of you who have joined us today with all your love and best wishes. I invite all of you to join us on this beautiful culinary journey called Tansen. Let us savor the magic where food meets art. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Mr. Amar Ori. That was very insightful. Now I would like to call upon Chef Anuj on the dais.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, media friends, and my Ori and Tansen team. Just the sheer name Tansen transport people to the Mughal era during Akbar, when the culture and the culinary world blended perfectly. So also we start our culinary journey with inspiration from two well-known compositions of Mia Tansen. Tansen composed the Rag Deepak, which when played creates heat and ultimately fire breaks out. We need the fire to prepare exotic Mughal and Nawabi dishes, while the Rag make Malhar gives you the rain when it's played. Here it is signified by the Sanzi posh interior, which provides the serenity, and hence it is the right place where the culture and the culinary arts blend aptly. The restaurant takes pride in presenting a culinary experience that combines innovation and tradition. Our menu is thoughtful, created to enhance your taste buds and showcasing harmonious blend of flavor that honor Indian rich culinary heritage. Whether you are savory with the fairy Hyderabadi marak or relish the exquisite kum galauti, every mouthful narrates a tale of time-honored recipe passed down through the generations. Tansen offers more than just a delicious food. It invites you into a refined and inviting atmosphere. Whether you are seeking a romantic night out for a joyous gathering, Tansen guarantees an experience that seamlessly blends tradition and excellence. Our commitment to authenticity shines through in every detail, from the rich decor inspired by the Mughal and Sufi aesthetics to a carefully curated music that fills the air. Each element has been thoughtfully designed to transport you bygone era of refinement and grace. As we celebrate the launch of Tansen, we invite you to savor not just a meal, but a culinary journey. Let us indulge your palate and serenade your sense as we pay homage to the Tansen enduring legacy. Thank you for joining for the Medalicious Culinary Adventure. Thank you, my media team and my Ori team. Thank you so much.
I would like to thank everyone for your presence here today.
I am here at a place where I would be proud of for the rest of my life. Why? Have you heard about Tansen? Because Tansen is a singer who used to make literally crowds crying for rain literally. हमारे भारत देश में जो हमने सुना था आज हमने यहाँ पे देख भी लिया और उसको एक्सपीरियंस भी कर लिया. एंड मैं किसी और के बारे में नहीं बात कर रहा हूँ. And I am talking about that is Tansen, none other than the Oris Group has proudly presented today. They have launched, a media launch has been made today, and it's a great opportunity. I am going to show you around the entire place, and along with that, I have a surprise for you. None other than the managing director of Oris Group, Mr. Amar Hori himself.
Thank you so much.
So
Happy to be here.
It's a proud moment for us. It's a literally, I have been to many places like. But the moment what I have cherished here, it's really going to remain in my, my subconscious mind forever.
Thank you so much.
So, I feel so proud कि आपने मियाँ तानसेन जी के बारे में जो इतना सारा लिखा, उनकी मतलब जो environment आपने यहाँ पे provide की, जो ambience दिया ना हमें, खाना और आपका जो यहाँ पे गाना, दोनों भी मतलब जुगलबंदी हो गई, जबरदस्त. तो मैं चाहूँगा हमारे व्यूअर्स को आप ये बताइए एग्जैक्टली ये थॉट आपके माइंड में आया कहाँ से?
जी, सो पहले वी वर रनिंग Tansen in Jalavihar in Secunderabad. So that restaurant was very popular. For 9-10 years we ran there. And then we decided that financial district में अभी हमें उसका next bigger better version खोलना है. And we decided that this is the building, we love the heights here. And we would create one of our best restaurants, and we have created Tansen, which is Ori's best signature fine dine flagship outlet for the city.
No doubt, wonderful. Coming here, जैसे हमने कदम हमने अंदर रखा, it was like a lavish. ऐसा लग रहा था कोई फिल्म की सेट है, मगर ये रियल प्रॉपर्टी है. और ये जो ब्रास से आपने जो कार्विंग्स करवाए, जो एम्बोजिंग करवाई उसके अंदर में, इतना थॉट, इतना डीपर डिटेल में. फूड के मामले में हमने काफी सारे लोगों को जाते हुए देखा, मगर आपने दोनों में कोई कमी नहीं छोड़ी. इसका इतना मतलब ये जो सॉलिड डिसीजन आपने जो लिया, इसके पीछे क्या आपका इंस्पिरेशन रहा?
Tansen हमारे लिए is not just a restaurant. Tansen is an experience which is filled with joy.
No doubt.
उसके लिए हम सोच रहे थे कि how can we celebrate food? How do we also celebrate music? Because नाम ही अगर Tansen है तो and he was a legendary master of his craft.
Correct.
We wanted to do an equally good job.
Okay.
And make music a part of the experience. उस हिसाब से काफी small details हैं throughout the restaurant, including the very large stage where every night there will be Sufi music. And उस तरह से हमने सोचा कि म्यूजिक को इंटीग्रेट करेंगे खाने के साथ. And we will celebrate खाना, we will celebrate music. We will also celebrate the hospitality that goes along with this industry. And in an environment, in a setting, in a place which is full of grandeur, which is almost magical. कोई और जगह, no other restaurant will have this kind of a detailed, musically inspired interiors anywhere in the city.
No doubt. Amazing place, one of its kind. In fact, मैं तो ऑन कैमरा ये भी कहना चाहूँगा, मेरे पिछले 25 साल के एक्सपीरियंस में मैंने 8वां अजूबा देख लिया है आज.
Thank you so much.
जस्ट 7 अजूबे शायद दुनिया में होंगे, मगर 8वां अजूबा. और खाने के मामले में मैं बता रहा हूँ, आपका जो मतलब ढूंढ रहे हैं ना अच्छा खाना, जिसको लजीज खाना कहते हैं हम लोग, और मुगलों का खाना, वो आपको सिर्फ मिलेगा तानसेन में. एंड आई एम रियली प्राउड ऑफ इट सर. सो इनफैक्ट मैं आपको पूछना ये चाहूँगा, जो आपने जो क्विजीन को यहाँ पे डिज़ाइन किया है, जो फूड को इंटीग्रेट किया है, व्हाट इज़ द रीज़न बिहाइंड गोइंग इनटू सच डीपर डिटेल स्पेशली फॉर द फूड? क्योंकि फूड के मामले में क्या है, बस पेश कर दिया काफ़ी है, मगर यहाँ पे मैंने देखा है मतलब आपने जो एहतियात बरती है हर छोटे छोटे चीज़ों में. आप खाने के बर्तन ले लीजिए, ब्रास में है, आप खाना ले लीजिए, मतलब आई हैव नेवर टेस्टेड सच अ फूड. इसके पीछे आपका क्या राज है? और अनुज वधावन जी के बारे में थोड़ा बताइए.
जी, So, as you know, Ori's is one of the oldest renowned family household name in food in the city of Hyderabad.
करेक्ट
तो हम तो खाना ही जानते हैं.
जी.
और जब बात आई कि हमें तानसेन बनाना है, तो we assembled a beautiful talent pool of chefs from Dubai, from Lucknow, from Hyderabad, from Delhi, to come together to do two things. One, to preserve some of the recipes of the royal kitchens of India, and to bring the best of the Northwest frontier food, and also to innovate in certain aspects, so that some of the dishes that we will create will become the future timeless dishes. So the team has been perfecting it for the last couple of months. हमारा जो à la carte menu है, जब आप आओगे, the team has worked very very hard to get everything right about it, to use the best of the ingredients, and to attain perfection with flavors and taste in every dish.
that's amazing and very rare thoughtfulness actually. यहाँ पे आपका जो यहाँ पे जो एंटायर गच्चीबौली फाइनेंशियल डिस्ट्रिक्ट एरिया में आपने जो ये लोकेशन चूज किया, इसके पीछे क्या रीजन है? नो डाउट देयर आर लॉट्स ऑफ स्काई स्क्रैपर्स, और यहाँ के थॉटफुलनेस भी, यहाँ के लोगों का रहन सहन भी वैसा होता है, एंड आई थिंक दिस इज गोइंग टू कॉम्प्लीमेंट ईच अदर. दैट इज वन ऑफ द रीजंस व्हाई यू नो सच अ लैविश काइंड ऑफ अ लुक ऑफ दिस रेस्टोरेंट. इसको यहाँ से आप कहाँ तक लेके जाना चाह रहे हैं? आपका विजन क्या है सर?
जी, पहली बात तो फाइनेंशियल डिस्ट्रिक्ट हमने इसलिए चूज किया बिकॉज वी वर हंटिंग फॉर अ वेरी स्पेसिफिक प्रॉपर्टी. तो हमें ऐसी प्रॉपर्टी चाहिए थी जिसपे एंटर करते ही यू गेट अ सेंस ऑफ ग्रैंड्योर.
करेक्ट.
And because as you can see, we have a lot of water bodies, we have double height ceilings,
Yes.
we have live kitchens, etc.
Yes.
तो हमें ऐसी जगह चाहिए थी जहाँ पे हमें ये सब पूरा कैप्चर हो जाए. तो जिस दिन हमने देखा ये बिल्डिंग हमें बहुत पसंद आया, and we signed it. दूसरी बात, Ori's is still not there in financial district as of now. So this
Okay.
is our first restaurant into this area.
Oh.
And we believe that financial district is the next highest growing area in Hyderabad.
नो डाउट, नो डाउट.
एंड विजन की बात करें तो राइट नाउ तानसेन को हम सेटल करेंगे. वी विल परफेक्ट एवरीथिंग अबाउट इट, एंड सम ऑफ द अदर ब्रांड्स इन द कंपनी जैसे कैफीन है, केक नेशन है, दोज विल कंटिन्यू टू ग्रो.
Okay.
तानसेन वी माइट लुक एट एक्सपेंशन बट ओनली नेक्स्ट ईयर.
Oh, wonderful, wonderful thoughts, sir. In fact, looking at this entire place, ये जो thoughtfulness, ये जो आपने जो गेट इनसाइड मेन गेट बनवाया, मुझे ऐसे लग रहा था कि जैसे कि मैं कोई राजस्थान के फोर्ट में एंटर कर रहा हूँ. यू नो दैट काइंड ऑफ थॉट के पीछे ये जो आपका आर्किटेक्चर है, इसके पीछे who is that team, you know, who is that kind of a thought which went into it?
Yeah, so it was a combined effort of myself and a friend of mine, Anirudh, that we conceptualized this whole place. And we knew very clearly that हमें एक ऐसा magical, beautiful, dreamy like जगह बनानी है ताकि people get mesmerized when they enter.
No doubt.
So the elements that we had to put into place were all detail thought through, and took a lot of different artisanal work for people to come in and execute. And I'm very happy that when you look around, you will see those small details everywhere that has been embedded, that has made this place look so beautiful.
नो डाउट सर, ये तो यहाँ पे सिर्फ शुरुआत है आज की तारीख में. और हाँ, मैं आपको एक बात बताना चाहूँगा, ऐसा फूड को टेस्ट करने के लिए आपको थोड़ी मेहनत करनी पड़ेगी. आपको फाइनेंशियल डिस्ट्रिक्ट आइए, ये जो एक्सपीरियंस, ही मोर देन फूड, जो एक्सपीरियंस यहाँ पे मिलेगा ना, दैट विल ऑलवेज रिमेंबर इन द हार्ट्स ऑफ एवरी हैदराबादी. और हर हैदराबादी के जो गेस्ट होते हैं, जो सारे इंडिया या दुनिया से आते हैं, उन सभी के लिए नॉट टू बी मिस्ड, एंड दिस हैज टू बी ऑन देयर टूर लिस्ट.
बिल्कुल सही. So चाहे वो फैमिली की आउटिंग हो
Yes.
या आईटी के आउटिंग्स हो,
जी.
आई थिंक दिस इज अ परफेक्ट प्लेस टू मेक मेमोरीज,
Absolutely.
परफेक्ट प्लेस फॉर सेलिब्रेशंस,
Yes.
एंड वी कांट वेट टू होस्ट ऑल ऑफ यू and to celebrate with you.
Thank you very much, sir. You've been a great
so much.
host today. Wonderful lunch.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
సుమన్ టీవీలో మీ పర్సనల్ అండ్ బిజినెస్ ప్రమోషన్స్ కోసం కింది నెంబర్ కి కాంటాక్ట్ చేయండి.